Hey everyone. So I made a video showing you how to fold laundry. And then Mrs. R sent me a video of her helping her son with some laundry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the two videos together. So you'll see Mrs. R's video first, and then it'll go right into the video that I made, okay? So grab some laundry and get ready to help.
Hi, boys and girls. I'm in my son Gavin's room.
Oh boy.
And I want to show you something that really amazes me. Hold, please.
My gosh.
Why would you do that?
He's got clothing, dirty clothing on the
Do you wanna know
floor
why?
right
Can-
next
can
to
Can I explain?
a hamper.
You make it. Don't tell
There
lies.
was a cat in there, but now there's not. So I'm going to help Gavin
Don't. I can do it myself.
put his clothing in the hamper where the clothing belongs. You might call it a laundry basket. I call it a hamper.
What? You don't need to do it for me.
So watch this. You
don't
ready?
need to do it for me.
Ready? I'm going to put
Mom.
clothes
Mom.
in hamper. Clothes in hamper.
There appears to be
Clothes in hamper.
someone is interested in this.
Clothes in hamper. You may not use the hamper for your personal bed. These are for dirty clothes only.
Hello everyone. I thought that today I could do a video on laundry because I have been doing a lot of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fold a couple of different articles of clothing. I'm going to show you how to do a pair of leggings. We're going to fold a dish towel. We're going to fold a sweater, a pair of jeans, and a t-shirt. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by folding our sweater. So you're gonna lay it out flat. You can do this on the floor like I am, or on a table, or on the couch, but it's a lot easier to do it if you have a flat surface. So you're gonna take one side of your sweater and bring it to the other side so that they match, like that. Then you take the sleeves and bring them into the middle like this. And then you just fold it in half. Super easy. That's the sweater. Next, we're going to do the t-shirt. Now the t-shirt is inside out, so I have to make sure that it's right side in first. And we're gonna do the same thing we did with the t-shirt like we did with the sweater. So we're gonna fold it out like this, nice and flat. Fold it over. Bring the sleeves into the middle and fold it in half. Now, this t-shirt's big, so we could fold it in half again if we wanted to make a little bit more space. And that's the t-shirt. Okay, next we're going to do our dish towel. Same thing, we're gonna lay our towel flat and we're folding it in half. We're bringing one side over to the other side like this, okay? Then we're gonna go from the top to the bottom, and then we're gonna fold it in half one more time, and there's our towel. Next, we're going to fold a pair of leggings. One of the legs is inside out, so first we need to make sure that they're both right side in. Then we're gonna lay it flat, just like all of the other things that we've folded. We're gonna go from one side to the other and line up the legs. And then we're gonna go from the top to the bottom. Top, bringing it to the bottom, and then one more time, the top to the bottom. Oh, and here's my helper. And we have one more thing to fold. Liam, are you gonna help me? Okay. Next is a pair of jeans. Okay, so first I gotta make sure the pockets are not inside out. I gotta lay the legs out. Liam, you gonna help me? Oh, thank you for your help. Oh, wait a minute. Get up. You can't sit on them while I'm folding, silly. Okay, all right. Now we're gonna take one side and fold it over to the other side. And then just like the leggings, we're going from the top to the bottom, and one more time, from the top to the bottom. And there you have it. Now you have this nice stack of folded laundry. So now you can help your parents or anybody else that you live with the laundry. All right, see you next time.